man. It's the beat, man. Know I pack the heat, man. Pull out the strap and you know it's Jeep, man. Jeep done fucked up once, twice, man. Let me pick this shit up so you realize, man. Realize I will fuck your bitch ass up, man. You don't want no problem, man. Nigga, that what's up, man. That's what's up, that's what down. Reppin' for that B-Town, Blood Town. What it do? Suit, woo. To my boys in the hood, man. Boy doing good, man. Flipping on this dumb man, flipping on this hoe. I'm making money, man. You know I'm making money, man. You know how, yeah, just boy, just go. Boy, just go. Boy, don't know. Let me show you how I do it. Let me show you what's up, man. Let me show you how I'm through with it. Through with the flow. Nope, never, man. I would do the whole song. Now my rhymes is clever, man. Clever good, man. I clever hood. Clever hoe, man. I clever wood. Man, I fucked up, but I said I fucked up. Let me pick it up. Let me show you again. Yeah, hold up. Okay. Hold up. Yeah. Okay. Your boy fucked up. That ain't no problem. I'ma fix it up. See this bitch nigga, so I rob him. Rob him for his dough. Rob him for his hoe. Rob him real quick, and you know I'm on the go. Stop and go real quick. Man, I got that dope dick. Put it in your fucking chick. She just wanna give it lick on the fucking tip. Lip on the fucking top. Man, I do this fucking shit, man, nigga, now stop. Can't stop me, fucking boy. Can't stop me, no way. Can't stop me even if you try tomorrow, today. No, any fucking way. I will kill a fucking nigga. I will kill the fucking beat. Block, block, no trigger with a fist, with a fight, nigga. You ain't fucking shit, man. Let me show you what's up, man. Sharp shooter hit, man. Sharp shooter hit, man. I'm feeling fucked up. Wish I had some more beer or bars. What's up? Yeah. Haha, I'm too fucked up, dog. Fuck that. I can't even go anymore. I'm fucked up. It'll be almost over anyways. It's done.